In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Counter-Strike Global Offensive offline. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is a process that you can do in-game. You don't need to download any external tools or modify anything. If you are offline, simply go to your Steam library and open up CSGO. It will give you a whiny over here at the top telling you that you are disconnected from the CSGO network, but that's okay. All you have to do is select Play CSGO at the left side over here, and from the options over here at the top left, you won't have access to official matchmaking, and the community server browser. You will have access to practice with bots, the training course, and any workshop maps that you downloaded when you were online. So, like I said, this needs to be on your computer storage. So, if you just want to play one of the official maps, switch over to Practice with Bots. Choose the mode. For example, I'm going to select Deathmatch, but you can choose between casual or war games. And after you select the mode, choose the map. You can set easy bots, harmless, medium, and just change the difficulty as you wish. And when you select Go over here at the bottom right, select it Style depending on the mode, and the game will load in immediately. Once you are in, you will be able to play CSGO as you would if you were online. Of course, no other player is gonna be able to connect to you, but the game will be exactly the same as long as you select the proper game mode you want to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Counter-Strike Global Offensive offline. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.